Kay mata nga ma, kere-kere. Sa... Tengah baik bisa.
Oh, entah dari yang timbul.
Turagadia Wusa, Sauniduna, and Amatangalia Namberi, distinguished guests, youth members of Vatulovona, ladies and gentlemen. I'm deeply honored to be here today as my 2 weeks 30 million trees in 15 years consultation tour of the Northern Divisions comes to an end. So far, I have visited 14 villages, 3 in the district of Bundu, 4 in Tawake, 4 in Dongotuki, 2 in Wairiki, and 1 in Lambasa. I must say my tour of the Northern Division is an eye-opener, as the reality of the drastic impact of climate change is evident in the 14 villages I have visited. Physically, I have seen the coastal erosion in Wangaitekea settlement in Wundu, while the villages of Nukundamu have had to relocate further inland, protected by mangroves, as they were previously exposed to the threats of flash flooding and tidal waves. Others, like 85-year-old Unaisi Longawai of Rauriko village in the district of Dongotuki, who has seen the disappearance of popular beds in the village and also the failure of trees to bear fruits in certain months of the year, are just some of the examples shared with me during this tour. I was also delighted to see at Koromakawa village in the district of Wairiki, the 2 former hotel employees are part of the Ridge to Reef tree planting team. This is part of the Ministry of Forestry's response to COVID-19, known as Cash for Tree Planting Program, which are collaborating with the United Nations Development Plan and Secretariat of the Pacific Community. As many may recall, Fiji was struck by 3 tropical cyclones in the form of Sarai, Tino, and Harold within a span of 6 months. Their cumulative impact, coupled with COVID-19, is nothing short of devastating. These disasters have left thousands of Fijians jobless, homeless, and penniless through no fault of theirs. Never have we encountered such a lethal combination. In the history of our nation, Fijians have survived many disasters. We have shown resolve and resilience, in particular here in the Northern Division, whereby the urge to combat climate change through nature-based solution is a priority. In January 7, 2019, His Excellency the President Major General Chochi Konusi Konrote launched the 4 million trees in 4 years initiative at the State House. Just 9 months after, during the United Nations Head of States Climate Change Summit held in Newark in September last year, our Honorable Prime Minister Forenge Bainimarama announced that 900,000 Fijians will plant 30 million trees in a span of 10 to 15 years. This means we have to plant 2 million trees every year until 2035. And for us here in the North, we have mammoth task of planting over 400,000 trees for this financial year. Last year in October, the Ministry of Forestry achieved its 1 million trees target as we progress into our tree planting campaign I am confident we will achieve our 2 million trees national target set for this year. The 15-member Wasabulu Village Women's Group here in Lambasa that I visited yesterday has paved the way for us here in the Northern Division after seeing the community-based nurseries where they have shown 20,000 seedlings. This will definitely economically empower them as the Ministry of Forestry will purchase seedlings from them as the 30 million trees in 15 years initiative progresses. I'm told that your 162-member youth group here at Vatulovona share the same ambition and is moving in the same direction as the women's group at Wasabulu, with a common goal of working together to improve economical, spiritual, physical, mental, and social lifestyle. I'm sure with government support through my ministry, you are one step closer to achieving your goals. Ladies and gentlemen, climate change is real. It is happening right now, and it is the most urgent threat facing our entire species, and we need to work together to combat it. As you are aware, climate change has the power to change the way we live, and we have a very short time to turn things around, or else we will all die. I take this time to challenge you, the youths of Vatulovona. You are the last generation with the opportunity to save the world. Future generations will judge us if we fail in our efforts to make a change. We have a responsibility to hand over a healthy planet to those that will inherit it after us. I'm sure I can count on the 162 of you to play your part in ensuring we have a healthy planet for those yet to come. The future of our nation is in your hands. Thank you, Danewad and Vinagawale.